Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will highlight the importance of mulch in your garden, specifically in your orchard, since fruit trees absolutely love mulch. So my favorite mulch obviously is wood chips, and I get it sent to me from time to time. Basically you call your local arborist or tree lopper and ask them for a load of wood chips or mulch, and they'll be happy to oblige, since they have to pay to dump it. So they'd rather give it to you for free. So I've just recently laid a new batch of mulch, as you can see, throughout my orchard. And one of the key factors to mulching is water reduction. So basically, by mulching to a thickness of, I would say 10 centimeters or 4 inches would be sufficient. You'll actually be reducing your water consumption by up to 70%. Now that's a lot of reduction, and in turn it keeps your soil moist, as you can see. That's a bonus, we'll get to that. So it maintains consistent moisture in your soil, and obviously it helps reduce your water consumption in your garden, and it provides consistent moisture and water to your trees and plants, and it helps in reducing their stress during the extreme weathers, such as extreme heat or even extreme cold. So that's the number one reason why you must mulch, and I do recommend that everyone does mulch. Another very important reason why everyone must mulch in their garden or in their orchard is to suppress weeds. By applying a layer of mulch, again 10 centimeter or 4-inch layer of mulch would be sufficient. It basically reduces the chances of any weed seeds from germinating, since they there's no sun rays that hits the soil because of the mulch, and they don't actually, or they minimize the germination rate of the weeds, thus reducing the number of weeds your plants and trees would have to compete for water and nutrition. And obviously also it's an added bonus. It helps with the overall appearance and aesthetics of your orchard. You're not looking at weeds, you're looking at a nice neat cover of wood chips, which is a lot more pleasant on the eye. Another excellent benefit to mulching is for soil temperature regulation. So basically, by mulching, the mulch acts as an insulator to the soil, and it helps maintain a consistent soil temperature. So basically it keeps your soil cool in extreme heat of summer, and it keeps it nice and consistently warm in the cold of winter. thus reducing the stress of the roots of the trees from extreme heats in summer and extreme cold temperatures in winter, and it eliminates the extreme fluctuation of soil temperature too, actually, which is very helpful for the overall health of the fruit trees. Another extremely beneficial factor of mulching is basically as the mulch or the wood chips break down, they slowly release the nutrients back into the soil and provide a consistent supply of nutrition into the soil, and it acts basically as a natural slow release organic fertilizer, which obviously your plants would love and need, and it reduces the need of synthetic fertilizers. And also these nutrients will feed beneficial microbes and things such as earthworms in your garden, which is your number one friend when it comes to gardening. They really add to the overall health of the tree and the soil and the quality of your fruits. So basically, to summarize it, mulching in your garden, in your orchard, is should be your number one on your to-do list if you are planning a garden, especially a fruit orchard. As you can see, the trees are loving it. They provide consistent water, consistent moisture, regulate the temperature during the extreme heat and extreme colds. They provide a consistent organic supply of slow release nutrition as they break down. They suppress the weeds and they prevent them from germinating. It looks really pleasant to the eyes. Aesthetically, it's appealing compared to just looking at dirt or weeds. And also it provides your trees with an abundance of fruits and extremely high quality, sweet and delicious fruits. Bismillah. It's absolutely delicious. So basically, guys, do yourself a favor and mulch your orchard. In my opinion, if you had to pick one task to do in your orchard, and that's even including watering, fertilizing, weeding, and what have you, I would have to say you choose mulching as your number one task over any other task, including watering, because mulching will solve your watering problem, it'll solve your fertilizing problem, it'll solve your weed problem, and it'll solve your stressed trees problem. So there's actually no negatives or hardly any negatives to mulching. So make sure that's your number one task if you are planning an orchard. And if you like this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. And we'll see you in the next gardening video, inshallah.